Take a look at these numbers right here. 0.5 per thousand impressions, 62 cents a link click, 43 cents per thousand impressions. You go through this is totally different than all of your competitors. By getting 0.5 cents per thousand impressions, you're able to get way more eyeballs on your brand. Compared to this, here's a Facebook ad account of somebody paying $281 per lead, $376 per lead, and look at these costs per clicks. They're averaging $11 cost per click. That's going to take you so much money to get in front of your ideal audience. Hey there, my name is Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how to set up X ads to get more leads and customers for your business. Now, if you take a look right here, it goes all the way from the copywriting to the type of post that you need to implement, all the way to the ad strategy, which we'll be covering today. If you want this full system on how to make these exact ads for X to actually get leads, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. All right, so if we take a look right here, this is a post I did yesterday that got 10 comments, 14 likes, 3 bookmarks, and about 600 views. Now, organically, that did pretty well for me. And if you are new to X and you're just starting your account, make sure that you post organic posts. You need at least 6. You need to have a proper website, and you need to make sure your banner and profile images are up to date before running ads. Now, if you go and post an ad like this right in the ad network, they're going to shut you down unless you take those steps. If you need any help with your ads, just in case they got banned, make sure you send me a DM or leave a comment below so we can help you out. We work with the X ads team to help people get their accounts unbanned. So I didn't just make this post randomly. This is actually based on a framework that I see working really well. And if we go over to our vault, you can see that in our templates in our software, we show all the best performing ads that you can actually copy and paste. Now, we learn from expert copywriters out there. There's copywriters like Justin Welsh that do really great posts on X, and you can take a look here. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose that I want to write exactly like him. I'm going to choose Justin Welsh. I want to provide unaware, problem-aware solution. And then what I want to do is ask the AI exactly what those posts are. What's that topic? What's that title that's actually going to get my ideal customers to raise their hand and say, yes, I need help with that, or that's my pain point. And that's exactly what we did here. We wrote this post in with a relatable image here, and we kept it pretty short. And then this is what we post organically. What you need to do is for your first X ads, you need to post organically and then turn those into 24 hours later. So if we head back to the vault, what you want to do is I'll give you an example of a really high converting post here. What you want to do is take I built A, and then you want to have AI or manually go in here and update this and write this exactly how you would for your business or your brand. You want to talk about pain points, solutions, and something you did to make somebody want it. The goal is to start getting likes and comments. And what that does is it starts building up your Twitter pixel. That way you can start retargeting. Because what we want to do is attract our ideal audience. And then once they say yes, they like it, they comment or leave a DM or even follow you, then we can start retargeting them with middle of funnel ads. That's where we can build relationships. You can see here that I went ahead and I picked Justin Welsh to write this X post for me. And then I went and I said, hey, this is the topic I want to write about, personal branding. And then what it's going to say is only about 15% of this is AI. The rest sounds exactly like me or Justin Welsh. It has a good possibility of doing really well with the algorithm. And then you want to go through and you want to look for the X protocol. The X protocol needs to be a certain length. So then you can go and turn this into an ad. After you post it organically, if it gets a few likes and a few comments, that means it's probably going to do well as an ad. You want to come back the next day and turn this organic post into an ad. So what we're going to do is head over to the X Ads Manager, and we're going to scroll up and we're going to click on Create Campaign. Now, the first thing you want to do is focus on reach. You're going to be tempted to use all these other channels here. You're not going to get sales if you don't build a relationship and build trust with your audience first. So the first step is to build organic posts, turn them into ads and build trust to get followers and people to start liking you. And if you join our community, it breaks down how to retarget them so you can actually use sales to build that after you built that relationship with the customer. Your campaign's loaded. I always like to call this top of funnel, TOF as short. Add your credit card on file. Make sure that this card on file is in your name and that you have added your website, like I said, and your website needs terms and conditions added to it before they can approve you. Now, if you haven't done any organic posts yet and you haven't done anything with your optimization of your profile, and maybe you're not even a verified account, you're not paying for X premium services, they won't approve these ads. So you need to take those steps first before you come in here and set up the ads. Now for top of funnel, I like to just start really low. What you want to do is start with a really low budget, and that will help you find ads that people actually like and relate to. What we'll do is we'll go back in about a couple weeks and we'll see which ads people followed you and engaged on. And those are the ads you'll want to start optimizing. I like to do max reach, show this ad to as many people as possible, and let's see who's interested. We want to go down and we want to turn on account brand safety controls. This gets rid of all the bots. Make sure it's limited. I like placing my ads on all these different platforms. And then what you want to do is really dial in who that ideal range is that you'd want to advertise to. For me, I only speak English, but I do have customers outside the United States, so you can add up to 5 here. It won't allow you to add more than 5, so you want to just focus on your top 5 and or just limit to the main ones. From there, I don't really care what operating system they use. And then this is where it gets fun, where you can actually build your audience. Now you're going to be tempted to show it to everybody, But what you want to do is go down and make sure that this is off. You can go ahead and turn this once we go to bottom of funnel, but for top of funnel, we really want to dial in on our follower lookalikes. So what I like to do is I like to target people that I know have my ideal customer. So I go out and I look for people like Alex Mosey or the Justin Welsh. People that I know are interested in automating their marketing are followers of them. And after you do that, you can go ahead and take a look and you'll be able to see that you could upload multiple profiles. You just need to make sure that they all are accurate. Some people have or official in their names. That you found your ideal audience, you can go ahead and plug in some keywords. This is based on what people mention. If somebody's talking about this topic, my ad will actually show up underneath it. Popular one is if someone's asking for a bank or the best bank, a bank will show their ad below, or email marketing, email marketing software will show their ad before. Then you want to build up those follower lookalikes that you think have your ideal followers. These are people, his followers are my ideal people. And so you want to really think about that and build this up as much as you can. Really, the average is to be over 1 million here and really target that. Now from there, we're going to keep all of these off, but we will turn these on in later videos when you're going to retarget people, because then what you want to do is see and show your ad to anyone who saw or engaged with your post from organic. And this is where you can really retarget people. But for the first ad, you want to go ahead and keep that off because this ad is going to attract your ideal audience. Okay, now this is where your ad comes in. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use an existing ad. And that's going to help you pull from your organic posts. So you're going to see organic here. And then what that will do is load the organic posts that I can go ahead and start running ads for. So you can see this is the exact post I ran yesterday. I think it saw pretty good results. You can see them down below. And you're going to go ahead and add that in. And what I like to do is add about 10 of these. That way we can start testing and seeing which ones actually make people raise their hand and say, I'm interested. We're going to hit create another ad, use existing, and go ahead and just throw a bunch of these. Now I do like to use videos for middle of funnel for retargeting to build that relationship. So I'll actually use a different one, but when you go and set up your retargeting ads, you'll want to start using videos to build those relationships and actually teach and educate. We see the best videos doing under a minute, right around 30 seconds works really well. That you've got a bunch of ads in here, you want to just go ahead and name them. This is for your reference. So this is just a frequently asked question I get asked. And then from there, we're going to hit next. It's going to give you a summary of your ads. And like I said, try to get 10, 15, 20 organic posts in there and hit launch. Now, if you have any trouble getting banned or this does not start showing ads, make sure you DM AutomationLinks on X and we'll connect you with our X reps to get you on banned. Your end goal should have an account that looks similar to this, where you're going to just spend a few $1,000s to get really great results. And how you're going to be able to take a look at that is if you head over here and you click on summary, you'll be able to go and see custom metrics. From there, you can go and look at things like followers. And you can do how many follows, cost per follow. You can then go and look at CPC, like cost per click. And you'll see you can see cost per 1,000 impressions. And then you can basically check all of these off that you want to ensure it shows you exactly what you want to see here. Then you can hit apply, but all you have to do is save it and it'll save for your custom settings. So for mine, I'm going to go ahead and name it followers, and I want to look at the total followers in this account. Now, when I look at followers, I want to look at total followers, and I want to see which ads brought in the best followers. So if we take a look, we can click on that twice to show greatest to least, and we can look at how many followers this specific ad got. 5,200 followers at 0.01 per 1,000 impressions. You only spent $1,300 on this. You can also head over here and you can see that cost looks really great. Cost per engagement looks great, how many clicks that we got, and then we can even look at the cost per click. Then what we want to do is dive into that, and we can continue diving in all the way to the ad level, and we can see exactly which ads we're bringing in the most followers, and then we want to keep optimizing those. So if we head over here, we're going to look at follows. We want to look at the least amount of follows, and we want to go shut those off. So you can see these brought in 0 follows. So what we want to do is go shut them off, and then we want to go look at the most follows, and we want to keep those turned on and optimize. So this ad right here is what I want to keep running over and over and over, each one down the line. All right, so I hope this video brought you a ton of value, and if it did, it'd really help me out if you subscribe to my channel. And like I mentioned, if you want access to the full X ads course, community, and even the vault showing you which ads work best, so you can simply just copy and paste, comment system down below so somebody from my team can send you access. You'll get instant access to this right here, so you can actually start growing your account and doing X ads the right way. If you want to learn more about X ads and these videos, put a playlist right here so you can check them out. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.